How to change currency on Airbnb. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To change a currency on your Airbnb, go ahead and launch your Airbnb application in your mobile device. Over here, make sure that you are logged into your Airbnb account. If you are new to it, make sure to sign in. Now over here, to change the currency, it will just take a couple of steps. At the bottom, you will see a profile icon in the right hand corner. You need to click on it. After which, under settings, tap on payment and payout. At the top, you will see the default currency, that is USD. You need to go ahead and click on it. After which, you will find a list of currency that you can choose from. You can go ahead and select on any currency that you prefer. Wasn't it simple? With a simple click, now you are able to change currency on your Airbnb. If you face any of the difficulty regarding it, follow this quick and easy step. Head back from your application, press and hold onto your app and head to App Info. From here, you need to force stop it, then tap on OK. Head to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.